everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody, back with another different type of video. This is a clean with me. I think this is the third clean with me that I've done in the year and a half that I've been on YouTube. So I'm here in my master bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and just pan around. I didn't get a chance to clean it up. I usually clean up on Thursdays or Fridays. I didn't get a chance to do that this week. So I'm just going to go ahead and just tidy up a lot because I have a lot to tidy up in here, and I'll take you guys along with me, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I received this California Design Den 600 thread count queen sheet set from a sponsor. I'm going to leave the link below if you're interested in hearing or seeing more about these sheets. But this is the second set of these sheets that I received. I'll try to place the card above to the previous video that I did on the sheet set. So I also received a duvet. It's a light gray duvet from Parima. I'm going to talk a tad bit more about the sheet set first, and then I'll go back into the duvet. So anyway, the sheet set is really nice. I love it, you guys. It comes with a fitted sheet and a regular sheet and 2 pillowcases. So now let's get back to the cleaning. So I did a couple of loads of laundry, so I'm just going to go ahead and fold those laundry pieces and put them away. So I'm just picking up some things, putting them in their rightful places. And next I'm going to do just a tad bit of dusting off as well. So here I'm just going to put away the previous items that I had on the bed. Now getting back to the duvet that I received from Parima. Now I'm opening the box, and I think the wrapping of this particular item is very nice. So here I'm opening. It came with some directions. So here's a nice thank you card. It gives me all the details of the duvet. It's soft, smooth, and silky, letting you know how it's certified. And then they also have a personalized thank you letter at the back, letting me know the retail value of the duvet is $225, and you guys can receive $50 off with using the code of SAVE50 if you go ahead and click on the link below and check out the duvet and everything else that they have on the website. There's also some care instructions, you guys, which I think is very, very helpful because you want to take care. If you invest in this duvet, you want to take care of it. So it came in this nice cloche that you can actually reuse. It's a good underwear, bra, or even a sock bag or shoe bag that you can use if you're going on vacation. So it came with two pillowcases, and what I really like about this set is that the closures are zippers. I'll show you guys that in just a few seconds. So here I'm just giving you a closer view of how the duvet actually opens up via the zipper. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I put my comforter inside of my duvet cover. Now, this is not anything that I made up. This is not original or anything. I've seen this on multiple YouTube channels. So basically what I'm doing is turning my duvet cover inside out, and then I'm going to lay it out over my bed. And once I get it laid out over my bed, I'm going to get the comforter that I'm going to be inserting inside of the duvet cover, and I'm going to put it on top of the duvet cover. And once I do that, and then I'm going to just roll it up like a Tootsie Roll. Once I get it rolled up, now it's going to look a little complicated because I'm doing this on my own. Now, if it was two people working, if it was me and another person doing this, it would have seemed like a cakewalk. But me doing it on my own, I'm walking on each side of the bed, which is kind of making it a little long and complicated looking. But it's very simple, you guys. All you need to do is roll it up like I'm doing now. Just roll, 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 roll. And once you get it rolled, you're going to flip it back to the right side. I'm going to show you now. See, I'm just taking it, flipping it back to the right side. And once I get it flipped, I'm going to put it back on the bed like I'm making my bed. And then I'm just going to unravel it. This is so unique. It's so easy. Anybody can do it. Anyone can do this, and I would not apply my duvet on my bed any other way. So this is the final outcome of my duvet on my bed. I'm not the type to iron any sheets or iron any bedding because it gets wrinkled right back up when you get in the bed. But I really want to give a big shout out to Parima for sending me the duvet. And I really, really love it, you guys. So let's get started on finishing. Okay, guys, so this comforter came from Ross. It's a queen comforter, and it actually came with 2 shams and a couple of decorated pillows, and I really just used the comforter. So I went ahead and threw the bed together off camera. I totally forgot that I wasn't filming, so I do apologize for that, but this is the final outcome of the bed. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and finish my clean with me. I have my fireplace to do, then I have my dresser to do, I have my vanity to do, and then I'll come back in once I'm done with all of the cleaning. So you guys, I'm pretty much done with the cleaning. I thought I was recording the whole time I was cleaning, but my record button was not on. So my dresser is done, but I decided to leave all my items that I use every day out instead of storing them away, because I do actually live in my master bedroom. So I'm not going to put all the things away for the sake of this video. I'm going to leave what I use on a daily basis out. So the bed is already done. I've already dust, cleaned, vacuum, and set the room. I hope you guys were inspired and motivated to clean your master bedroom or clean any part of your house. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video, but I'll go ahead and just give you a brief tour of the room since it's clean. Bye.
explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna fall?